is the interim maintenance is awarded at 35,000 rupees per month. Apart from that, the court has also awarded 1,50,000 for her to undergo a surgery, hysterectomy. I had produced a medical
I
certificate
said we
also.
will hear the matter itself. Come to the impugned order. We are not on
Yes.
interim order.
Interim order,
Where is the order passed by the family court?
please, annexure E.
How come the court can grant half of the salary as maintenance for only for herself, for the lady? It's almost half of the
He
amount
gets
is granted.
1,70,000 he gets.
After deduction, that
Apart
is
from that, my lord,
84,000.
apart from that, he has ancestral properties. He
Where
has
is it discussed?
the
What
court does
is,
not.
what is the, if he has ancestral properties, that may be a property. What is the income he's getting out of the property?
That he has suppressed. He has not even filed the bank statement. As for the Rajneesh case, he does not file the statement of
I'll set
accounts.
aside this order.
Yes.
I'll set aside this order and
No,
let
no,
him
sir,
file
not,
it.
I will just demonstrate how this, the petitioner has been so careless. In similar application was filed in 125 proceedings, where she has sought for a direction against the respondent, that the petitioner, to produce his bank statement. The bank statements he never produced, in spite of the order of the court. I have produced that order before this honorable court. And therefore, I was constrained to file this application in the MC petition. Even after 6 months, this order is passed in April. He comes to the court in October and obtains a stay. For 6 months, he does not appear before the court. He does not take the notices. He contested the matter. He files an affidavit before the court. He has ancestral properties of 1/3 share. He does not give any particulars about what is the share, what is the income. Nothing is produced. No statement is produced before the court. Bank statements, I have said he has got more than 5 to 6 bank accounts. In my petition itself, I have stated.
My lord, I am a senior citizen, my lord. I am the employee in the Kotak Mahindra Bank. My lord, I am earning about 1 lakh rupees, 61,800 rupees. After deduction of 84,000, I have net salary is 77,800 rupees, my lord. The hand loans raised for the purpose of marriage of her daughter only.
Why you have not filed your statement of assets and liabilities as per the judgment of?
I have filed the assets and liabilities, my lord, but I am unable to file the bank statement and the particulars. My lord?
Because you are working in bank, you are not able to file?
Not like that, my lord.
Please come. The present petition is
my
filed.
lord, my lord. My humble submission, my lord. My lord, all the expenses are borne, education borne by the petitioner itself, my lord.
Dated 25th April 2025.
And just one submission, he has obtained the interim order by giving false statement before the court, saying that he has provided a house to the accommodation to the wife. He has not provided. He has taken the house on rent in his name and he deserted her and gone. I have produced that rent agreement.
My lord,
A false statement is made before this court. Not single paisa is made.
My lord, petitioner, the respondent is not allowing the petitioner to stay in the house, and she is not rendered as a dutiful wife, my lord.
That's why MC is filed.
My lord,
who filed the MC?
I filed the petition. He earlier, this is the third time, my lord, I am forced to come to the court. Ever since 2012, my lord, he drives her away.
Arrears are also
I have
paid
produced all those documents. Arrears, my lord, 9 lakhs is there, my lord.
Yes.
My lord,
Out of which 9,20,000.
March 2026, my lord, I am a senior citizen and I also suffering from the old age ailments. And I don't have also any, I have also no independent source, my lord. There is a loan raised for the construction of the house and also for the marriage purpose of the daughter, my lord. And all the expenses borne by educational expenses.
Before making all these submissions, you tell why you have not filed the bank statements. That you tell the court.
The house is constructed, rent is being received. Rent is being received.
What did you write? It is submitted that
recently in
the matter when it came up, when it was brought to the notice of the court by the respondent that he has not paid the money, then he paid an amount of rupees 1 lakh.
1 lakh.
1 lakh. Next para. The
my lord, if the respondent is agree, they are asking exorbitant permanent alimony. If it is amicable, we will ready to settle.
No talks of settlement. Every time arrears comes, my lord, he will come
the matter is
to
going
take
to
her back.
matter is, now I'm remanding it to the family court. There you can set the, having heard the counsels on either side. There is a material not required. When the wife has filed an application seeking interim maintenance on section 24 of the Hindu Marriage Act, as per the law laid down with the Honorable Apex Court in Rashish versus Meena, both the parties were supposed to file their respective statement of assets and liabilities along with the documents as stated in the said judgment. The petitioner is working in Kotak Mahindra, and as per the order, as per the impugned order, his salary
$1,71,000.
His salary is 1,61,800. He was paying the wife an amount of rupees 20,000 and all. 21,000 before 2021. This is also an admitted fact. In the judgment of in the Rajesh case, the Honorable Apex Court has observed that if any of the documents that are required to be filed, if they are not filed, the court has to take an adverse inference. In fact, this is a case where the court ought to have taken the adverse inference and ought to have granted the amount as sought for by the wife. However, giving an opportunity to the petitioner and balancing the interest of both the parties, this court is passing the following order. The order dated so passed in so is set aside and the matter is remanded back to the court. As ordered by this court, as per the interim arrangement, he shall continue to pay an amount of rupees 20,000 and all the arrears of maintenance at that amount shall be paid. If the said amount arrears are not paid within 4 weeks from today, the respondent wife is at liberty to make an appropriate application under section 151 CPC to strike out the pleadings of the husband.
My lord, one humble submission, my lord.
Yes.
The petitioner have the insurance for the respondent also, my lord.
I have not set for any medical expenses. The court will decide now.
Please, my lord.
Yes, next. All pending stands closed. Yes, 27.
Bill number 27.
Yes.
ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಭೂಮಿಯ ಸರಹದ್ದುಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಭೂಮಿ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್